physical change because la la la, or this is a chemical change because. Very simple. You're just explaining why you chose it. Okay? Then you're going to summarize each aspect of your argument and use superhero pages to write your summary. Okay? I also have others I haven't really, I can make these tomorrow if you want. You probably won't get to this phase. This is where you're going to put your summary. This is where you're going to put your argument. Because you are going to be arguing what you think. We just talked about how the Wicked Witch of the West clip could be physical or chemical. It all depends upon your point of view. All depends upon how you back it up. Demetrios didn't even say that. He said the lighting on fire of the broom, which is good too. So you have to be able to take your scientific claim, your argument, and back it up. So we're going to add a little extra bonus to this because this isn't a lot of research. This is more like, I think this is more like fun. Not that research isn't fun, because it is. Notice the sticky notes. When you choose your situation, I'm going to give each group, each pair, a sticky note. You are going to write your name and your partner's name on that sticky note. And you're going to write your period number. Then you're going to take your sticky notes and you're going to put them on the posters or near the posters. When we're done with all of this, I'm going to pull the sticky notes down for your class. And I'm going to put you into groups to argue your point. What does that mean? Let's say Catherine chooses physical change man for situation 1. And let's say Adam chooses chemical change woman for situation 1. So I put your two groups together so you can argue why your superhero would do a better job. And you've got all the information right there. Okay? Now, argue doesn't mean like, I hate you and la la la, and it doesn't have to be a negative. Argument can be good in the sense of discussing a concept, discussing an idea. That's how you learn people. Okay? By engaging in discussions. We call it a claim, but we can also call it an argument. It's like you're a lawyer, right? If you're arguing a case, you're not fighting with anyone. You've got your claims and you're supporting with evidence. Any questions? All right, so let's talk scenarios. Let's talk situations. You get to pick one of these. And remember, it needs to be realistic. You found yourself imprisoned in an iron cage outside where the temperature will soon drop below freezing. It could be either. You just have to think about what you would do or what your superhero would do. Your hands are tied behind your back and you're about to fall into a deep body of water. There is a wildfire coming towards you. You have nowhere to escape. I know it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, okay? I took two situations and put them together. Just go with me. And then somewhere out of the darkness on a rainy night, you are about to be attacked by a bear. And now the gentle rain has turned into a hailstorm. Okay? So that's like a double bummer. So what you're going to do is you're going to work with your Anthony Leavenhook partner. So take out your buddy list. Buddy list! Take it out. You're going to work with your Anthony Leavenhook. Does anyone not have an Anthony Leavenhook? All right. All right.
I don't have my buddy list.
Who has Demetrios? Who has Demetrios?
I don't think you'll find it.
What?
Oh no, yeah, but this is not. Oh yeah, it's under it.
You have him at Leavenhook?
No, it's under it.
Okay. All right, so raise your hand again if you need a Leavenhook. All right. What? Okay, don't worry. We'll find some of you. All right, so Emma and Demetrios and Katie May and Julia and Kelly, wherever you want to go. Okay? All right, so what you're going to do, you got your sheets. Go to the back. Wait, one more thing. Go to the back. I'm going to give you sticky notes, and I'm going to give you a rubric sheet, your template sheets.
when you choose your situation's gonna be written right in where the question goes, so you don't have to rewrite it. Any questions? All right, go.
I didn't answer I stared at it. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay. All right, raise your hand when you're ready for a template. What color do you want for stickies?
Blue.
Green.
Blue. Purple. Purple. Green.
Shh, too late. Hello? You two get to work. Raise your hand when you pick the situation. Names, period. Names, period. Just one. Hi guys, we can choose. Okay. What I want you to do is all three members' names on the sticky. Period 7.
Gentle rain. Hi guys, what'd you choose? Okay. So you can put your names on the sticky, period on it, so then just oh yeah.
Notice how I'm making sure.
Template. Here's your sticky. You're very bright and want to say, hi, what situation?
Okay, can you put that back?
Use the water.
Hurry up and put it down. Dates on this?
Yeah, you can use it. We don't have to get.
Yes, okay.
Sorry.
No, sorry, I'm sorry. Dates on this.
Chico has a couple of
Guys, you need to be working with your groups, and you need to be aware of your noise level. Okay, excuse me, we're not talking about basketball right now. We are talking about chemical change woman or physical change man.
Tie. Iron is rust. How did you get your hands on tying using a break open?
We should make it.
Do I?
Then once it rusts and it breaks out, we're gonna need a celebration.
But like, rusting of iron it is. Okay.
So which your situation?
Situation
Number one. So who did you choose for your superhero?
chemical change woman.
Good. Okay, so how can chemical change woman help you?
She can rust iron bars and break it.
Good. All right, so that's a good one. So write that down. She can rust the bars. Make sure maybe later, if you don't want to do it now, double check and make sure you have the right information about rust and what rust is. Okay?
Can we have another one of these?
They're right over there. All right. Thank you, Spencer.
I know, but if you guys, that would take 2 different changes. You have to first break the hands, and then.
You can have 2 different changes as long as they're both chemical or they're both physical.
Oh, so then our fire one works even better because we can have one fire to, melt the iron stuff.
Yeah,
and then
that's
one
what I was
fire, just kind of, then just a bunch of fires wherever we go.
Don't disrupt the environment.
No, they'll be good fire.
Okay, you're looking right at the camera.
They'll be good fires. They won't be bad.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind that you should have more than one change happening. So physical change man can do 1 or 2, 3 things. That's what each evidence is. Each thing that he or she will do, okay? Okay.
What if we only do like 2
2's fine.
melt the bars and then so we have that like
Okay, guys, what are you working on?
Okay, so if it's iron and we can melt it, so would we need chemical?
She can. Chemical change woman
No, I know, but
would not melt it. That's a physical change. Guys, just put it on the poster.
so would we use the man or the
You could use the woman. What could the woman do to the iron bars?
anything she touches, she can make into a new substance. So we could change it to like
Check your list. Iron bars. Check your list.
you could change it to like
What does iron do?
iron can fire rust. It says she can turn this. Wait, so she can make it rusty? But
She's a chemical change woman. Of course she can. Check your list.
But then she said it said she can turn this up. She can melt
Should we say, we have to break the bars?
Yeah, we're gonna rust them and then
Do you have physical change or chemical change? Chemical change? Breaking?
she's gonna rust the iron bars and then
Good job. How we doing? My favorite quiet guy.
So, you can change his physical state.
So what did you choose? You chose physical change?
Yeah, physical change.
Okay, good. Good. And you're on scenario 3. So you've got change the shape, change the size, change the physical state. Okay. You can stretch over. Oh, wow. Okay. So that would be your evidence. Okay. This would be your reasoning, because this is explaining how it's a physical change. This is explaining how he does it. So you're fine. Keep going with that, and we'll just rearrange it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
All right.
yeah, evaporating is a physical change. Wait, is putting out a fire a physical or chemical change?
It depends what you put the fire out with. I mean, I guess extinguishing a fire, they would both be considered chemical changes because you're changing into a new substance. But if you use water with it instead of a chemical, it's a good question. You have physical? And we can discuss it later, okay?
Thank you.
Good job.
What form would rope change into?
What'd you girls have?
We had physical.
Okay, and you have situation 2?
Yes.
Okay, so how did you get untied?
That's what we're trying to decide if we made the right decision.
You did. You did. They're both good. What is a physical change? How could you physically change that rope?
By making it change into another substance.
That would be chemical. You've got physical. So, let's think about this. You've got a sandwich, right? And you want to share it. How do you physically change that sandwich? You cut in half, right? So how do you physically change the rope that is tying your hands together?
Cut the rope in half.
Cut the rope in half. Yep. Hi.
We had a question on the
All right, let me help you.
Alright, so the conclusion, all you do, look at this. Okay, all you're going to do is just say, we chose chemical change was the situation 3 because she would do this, because these are, she would do this and this, or you could say, we would choose chemical change 1 to save us, because she would transform hail into a safer substance, which is safer substance like why does everybody want to change everything to gummy bears? Because it's soft, take your hand off. No. And you have chemical changes. So you're kind of like, alright, so what can we do about it? Because it said any substance.
Alright, let's see what you have for the second one. It has to be something realistic. A chemical change woman also has the ability to change the ugly bear to a smaller, more friendly animal or creature. That's a pretty good one. Okay, try to come up with one more. Again, try to make it more scientific. Like chemical change, right? Chemical change woman. What can she do? Guys, sit down and get to work. What can she do to the bear?